I wish they would use AI to make Macho Man do like 90s R&B.
Can you imagine Macho Man doing something like Keep Sweat Twisted?
Girl, you got me twisted. Cause you know I want it.
You've been hit by a smooth criminal.
Oh yeah.
The next thing.
Eddie, were you okay?
Hello, man. Hit the line 5, Will.
You remember the time. All right, I'm done.
Just do the scatting part. Remember the time in Macho Man.
Ooh, give it up. Up, up. Ooh, give it up. Up, up, up. Ooh, yes. Give it up. Up.
My face hurts, man. Because I'm trying not to laugh so loud.
I'm sorry, I gotta do it. After all of the darkness and sadness.
Oh my god, I hate that. Man, I put on makeup, man.
Now the visuals in my head, like Macho Man just doing
you see Macho Man on a raft after
all of the darkness and sadness. Soon comes happiness. Oh yeah. I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna work harder. Yeah. Oh, I'm a survivor.
Please stop. I can't do it.
Oh yeah, it's the remix to Ignition. Hot and fresh out the kitchen. I'm sorry. All right, I'm done. I'm gonna stop. I promise y'all. I'm gonna stop.
Yo, my heart hurts.